Organisms collectively known as fungi are so distinct and important that systematists assign them to their own kingdom. Some of the more familiar forms of fungi are mushrooms and molds, and they're actually more widespread in our environment than we realize. Fungi play crucial roles in decomposing dead organisms, animal wastes, and other organic matter. They're also essential for the well-being of most plant species. The only parts of fungi we may notice are their reproductive structures, which break into the air to release their spores. Much of the body of the organism is immersed in its food. For some species of fungi, that food is the same food we'd like to eat. For other species, the food they live in is a living organism, sometimes a human body. Although fungi sometimes cause us disease and distress, humans also make great use of fungi. Fungi are used for food, both directly and in processing, such as certain cheeses and fermented beverages. Fungi have also been significant in biological research and medicine. The first antibiotic developed fungi were once considered plants. Both plants and fungi are multicellular eukaryotes. An individual fungus, like a plant, is stationary and must grow into a new location, rather than swimming or crawling there as an animal might. Both groups produce spores at some stage in their reproductive life cycles. But the two groups differ in many fundamental ways. All fungi are heterotrophs. They can't carry out photosynthesis. Instead, they secrete substances to digest the food they live on and absorb nutrients through their plasma membranes. Closer inspection of fungi at the cellular and molecular levels reveals even more differences between plants and fungi. In fact, systematists now believe that some of the earliest and best preserved fossils of plants, dating to the middle of the Paleozoic era, show the remains of fungi that live symbiotically with the plant. Fungi may have accompanied plants from the water to the land early in prehistory. It's possible that the ancestors of both groups of organisms emerged from an aquatic environment